respected dignitaries, the chairman of the inaugural function, Honorable Shri Rajendra Ji Jain, our Secretary of Colonial Society, my father, Dr. Anjan Naidu, who is the principal of DB Science College, as the chief guest, our very own principal, sir, Dr. S.S. Rathore, Professor Pandey, sir, and the in charge of IMAS 2012 studies, sir, and my very good friend Nikhil, who has coordinated absolutely in a fantastic way to make this event a splendid success. As I gaze around me, I see many of teachers, many students, all my friends, all teaching and non-teaching staff over there, and it's because of their support to us. I often feel as though God himself may have opened several doors along the way in order to be standing over here. Ladies and gentlemen, gathered here, for all those who thought, who questioned our credibility, for all those who thought whether this event can take place in a mighty. Today is your answer. We say, yes, we can. And today, we're off to fly. It is well said that well begun is half done. Okay, fine. I will say, we have begun, and it is a beginning. It is merely a beginning for us. And we are going to conquer. And we are confident enough to do that. As I talk about this occasion, which I scarcely would have considered possible a few years ago, I feel a great sense of joy and achievement as together we embark upon a new stage in the life of humanity. The event being organized by these students of humanity under the banner of IC Students Chapter symbolizes the can-do entrepreneurial spirit among these students. I would like to personally share something that I realized. I've been to many fests. Me and Nikhil, we went to the first Indian Students' Parliament organized in Pune. We went there to observe how they, how they conduct their programs, how they organize, what is the event management culture they have developed in themselves. I have been to Asia's biggest fest, Mood Indigo, organized by IIT Mumbai. I've seen, I've observed everyone. They were concepts. Okay, agreed. But
That is